What's going on, everyone? This is Vince with VShred.com, and if you're looking for a quick workout where we're going to burn a bunch of calories and not waste any time, that you don't need any kind of equipment and you can do from anywhere, today I got a 4-minute follow-along HIIT workout for you.
I'ma keep on going up till the lights go down.
All right, like I said in today's video, I'm gonna be taking you through a 4-minute follow-along HIIT workout. It's gonna be amazing for anybody who's looking to get in a short workout, doesn't have a lot of time, doesn't have time to get to the gym today. Now, I'm not saying that like you should do 4-minute workouts like this all the time as your full workout, but this is gonna be a lot better than nothing, and we're gonna make the most out of this 4 minutes. And so before I get into it, I do wanna say, if you're trying to lose weight, these little workouts are great, but you also got to make sure that you're eating right, and also you're just following a plan that's right for whatever your goals are. I get asked about this stuff all the time, and my number one recommendation is to figure out your body type, and it's usually pretty easy to figure out, but if you don't know what yours is, we have a super easy body type quiz. It's free to take, down in the link in the description below. It tells you what your body type is and the 3 most important things to do, dieting, training, and cardio related, so that you can get real results. So if you want to check that out, click the link in the description below. I can literally help you get in shape right now from that free quiz. But like I said, today's video, 4-minute follow-along workout. It's gonna be 4 exercises. We're gonna do each exercise for 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. And I'm gonna show you the exercises real quickly, and then we'll get into the workout. So the first exercise that we have is a reverse lunge to a knee drive. And so what that's gonna be is taking your leg, lunging back, and then driving it forward and jumping. Then switching legs, jumping, switching legs, jumping. So we'll do that for 40 seconds, 20-second rest. After that, we're gonna go to the second exercise, which is going to be a double plank in and out to a double jumping jack. And weird name, what that looks like is this. You're gonna go down, 1, 2, up, 1, 2, down, 1, 2, 1, 2. 40 seconds. After that, we're going down to a Spiderman Push-Up. So what that looks like is you're going to do a push-up while bringing one knee up to your elbow and back up. Up to your elbow, back up. 40 seconds of that, and then 20-second rest. And the last exercise is gonna be a plank up down, which is very simple right here. 40 seconds of that, and then we're done. So now that we've gone through the exercises, let's do the workout. And there you have it, a 4-minute follow along HIIT workout, body weight only, don't need any kind of equipment. So if you say you don't have time to get a workout in, yeah, you might not have time for a full hour workout because you got a super busy day, even though usually you should be able to make time for that. But you can use these shorter workouts to substitute for those days that you're super busy. Also, we have a ton of videos like this where we're literally 4-minute follow along, 5-minute follow along, 6-minute follow along. I'll put a card up here to our follow along workouts, but that's all for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, if you like these follow along workouts, make sure you're clicking the thumbs up button below. Also, subscribing to the channel and turning on the post notifications. That way you don't miss out on future videos. And commenting down below what your thoughts are. Do you like these follow along workouts? Do you want me to do more lifting workouts? Do you want me to do more exercise demonstrations? Let me know down below. But that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.